Hey, leaving so soon? You could sit down. Guess I shouldn't ask if you want any. Well, you get the dubious honor then of watching me stand here. Can't be any more exciting than watching paint dry.
Aren't you going to eat any?
Would you?
What do you mean?
Would you eat this if you were me? Man, they definitely didn't splurge on this one.
Is it that bad? Doesn't look awful to me.
Yeah, if you'd seen some of the other meals some of the other guys have gotten over the years.
This is my first time seeing the last meal, to be honest.
New here then. Well, you don't get a lot of newcomers here. Don't tell me. Edwards kicked the bucket finally?
Not yet.
Damn. Actually, would have liked some good news today. O'Connor. Was it O'Connor? She finally go to move in with her boyfriend like she's been talking about all this time?
Not permanently. She's on vacation. She got stuck overseas in this snowstorm, so I'm here to fill in. From the North Block.
Well, welcome to Death Watch then. It only goes downhill from here. I'm kidding. We've all been here for years already. I'm actually surprised this day came and before I dropped dead. Actually, most people don't even make it this long. So, Mr. First Last Meal, if it was your last day, what would you like for your last meal? Guessing not this garbage.
I've never thought about it, to be honest.
Sure, not once?
I mean, sure, I've thought about how I'm gonna die, hasn't everyone? But I've never put much stock into what would be my last meal. Most people don't get a choice.
So, you gonna ask already?
Ask what?
You know, why'd you do it? Do you regret it? Blah, blah, etc., etc. It's all anybody asks. It's all anybody seems to really want to know.
I mean, I feel like it would be a little rude before we've been properly introduced.
Properly introduced. Wow. You got a real gentleman here. Well, hey, it's an introduction you want. You got one. Jamie Beck.
I know. I mean, I'm Alex Porter. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Wow. I haven't heard that in a long time. Man, I should have seen that coming. Oh.
Huh?
Probably as far from a last meal as I could ask for.
What did you ask for anyway? Looks like a normal meal to me.
Trout?
Trout?
Yeah, it was my daughter's favorite. You know, we'd go fishing all the time, but caught anything, she'd always make me let it go. But, you know, we'd always go out for fish later though, because apparently there was a difference. But apparently they couldn't get any locally on time. So I'm stuck eating this shit.
I heard about your daughter. I'm sorry for your loss.
Yeah. Not like she would have made it without the money for the surgery, though. Things had only gone different that day at the bank. Look, I guess the bright side, though, to all of this, the bright side is it can't compare with losing her.
Order. Time for a shift change. Andrew's on his way.
Got it. Looks like my shift is over.
Yeah, I guess. Well, thanks.
What, for the awful last meal?
No, for the company. What's the matter? Look, I know it feels wrong. You don't have to feel bad. This is just your job. Me, I've had 15 years to come to terms with this, though.
But you.
Look, it's not your fault. I really don't regret this.
Why?
You have any kids?
No, why?
And I guess you really just wouldn't understand. I wished it hadn't happened the way it did that day, but no, I don't regret it. Hey, don't you have somewhere else to be?
If you don't have anyone else, I'll remember you. My mom's apple pie.
What?
My last meal. I'd want my mom's apple pie.
Ugh.